Good morning, traders. This is Rick Majors here at Opteck.com. Welcome to today's daily market briefing. Now, we're just about the end of our month here at Monday on June 23rd. The last week has been quite the exceptional one. There's really been a lot going in the market, and now we're actually starting to see a change in things that have been happening for the last 5-6 years since the recession and the global financial crisis started, that are now really starting to improve and starting to go back to market conditions that we saw more like 10 years ago, which is really just a very healthy sign for trading. It's a healthy sign for investing. It means that people are really starting to get focused back on turning the market into something that's going to be continual towards the future and is going to actually start really working towards the benefit of the traders and not towards the benefit of banks and investment companies. The first thing is volatility. Now, I want to talk simply right now about the British pound. The British pound has been taking a bullish rally that is not going to end today even. So if you guys want to take that up end of the day, those are great options. Pound versus the dollar, pound versus the euro, pound versus the Japanese yen to go up for the end of the day are things that I already took myself right as I came in, and it's going to be really good. Great Britain in total has been looking at a good economic outlook this month and is expecting to take the summer in very positive and come out at least 10-20 points higher than what it is right now. And again, we're seeing a return to more normalized market conditions that we saw 10-15 years ago, where the pound was very, very strong. The dollar is not looking as good, and we don't really have a lot of market events that are going to be coming up today to change any of that. We do have the existing home sales. It is looking to go up, so we could see the dollar take strength by the end of the day. But again, I'm not looking for a whole lot of good things to happen on the dollar, not today and probably not tomorrow either. But we'll see exactly how things play out. The main concern right now, US dollar-wise, is exactly how they're going to respond to the Iraq situation and how they're going to be putting money into it as well, because right now the United States, financially speaking, does not really have the ability to put too much money anywhere, and they would have to borrow, and the speculation right now is on its overall ability to make that borrow and how much can it actually take from another country, how much will it be able to get in a loan and then be able to spend on said situations like Iraq and what is happening in Syria right now as well. So these situations need to play out a little bit more before we see, and we need to see a decision from the United States as to what they really want to do. Now, rest of the day, again, like I said, we don't really have too much going on. What you should be looking for tomorrow, US dollar consumer confidence is very, very highly rated in terms of volatility. Again, we are seeing a lot more volatility in the market, so you should be seeing bigger movements now. That's at 10 a.m. tomorrow. You have new home sales. You have a whole slur of different things happening on Wednesday as well. Mostly, though, medium and low-ranked events. All right, core durable goods orders. And then, again, coming up on Thursday, we have unemployment claims. But the other thing that's important here is the EU Economic Summit. All right, it's ranked as medium, but I think that, while we're looking at this, it really does have a high potential to be a big mover. On the other hand, because what's happening in the European Union right now in terms of financial decisions is going to be a big player for what's going to happen the rest of the summer, and it's going to cause volatility. And with the increased volatility that we're already seeing in the market, especially on the European side, a very large coveting of the euro and the British pound, this is going to be a bigger player than usual. And to top that all up, British Governor Carney is going to be speaking, Governor of the Bank of England, of course. Now, with the British pound in such good stance right now, it's going to be expected that he will, of course, be giving some good news, some good expectations for the future, and his own personal thoughts on really what's happening in this situation and what he expects as well. All right, guys, that's what I had today for our daily market briefing. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe at the bottom of the page, and stay tuned with us all week, Monday through Thursday, 9 a.m. GMT British time. Other than that, keep an eye open for the rest of the week. We're going to be continuing on. Keep an eye open also for what's going to be happening on the gold market. As far as we can tell, with all the decisions we've just talked about right now, it's going to be having a heavy effect on gold. But anyway, that's it for now. I'm Rick Majors here at Opteck.com. Stay calm, stay steady, and of course, happy trading.